Hey guys, it's Halloween. I have a box here, but it is huge, so I'm not going to be able to do like a real unboxing. So I am going to have to open this off camera, but it did get to me intact. The box looks good, so let's see what it is that I got. All right, it came packed nicely. Here it is. I can't believe that this one came faster. So I ordered 2 bags last week. Well, this past week. One, I think I ordered, maybe Monday or Tuesday. Today is Saturday. And then one I ordered Thursday. Today is Saturday. And it's already here. The one I ordered Thursday is here. Okay, so I had passed on this one because I didn't realize it was the embossed C's. So this is the pebbled leather large Rowan. So this is sold out online, but I called I emailed one of my nearest factory outlet, Coach outlet store, and she immediately emailed me back. I mean, she promptly did it, and she just said, no, we don't have it. Okay, so then I called the one that's another one that's closer to me. I didn't have an email address for that person, and I called and I got a really good sales associate, and she not only said, no, we don't have it, but let me look to see if someone else has it. And I didn't even think about that to ask the other person. So anyway, she looked it up and she said, oh, okay, there's a store in North Carolina that has 4 of them. That's probably your best chance to get one. Let me give you that number. And she was awesome. Her name is Bree. And she was at the Foley outlet in Foley, Alabama. So anyway, I called that store and she was like, oh yeah, we have one that's factory wrap. Let me get you that and I'll send you a pay link. Awesome. Now this one was $249. I thought the price was $229, but anyway, I went ahead and paid that. But I am very, very happy to pick this up. It is very, very cute, and I hate that I passed on it in the first place. I passed on it because I thought it was just a re-release of the other large Rowan that was plain, which I thought was really pretty. I had thought about picking that up, but I had picked up so much other stuff that I didn't do it. But I'm glad I picked this one up. So let's take a look at this. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I have seen some people. So what made me pick this up was that I saw another YouTuber actually unbox hers, and I was like, wait a minute. I didn't know that was the that it had embossed C's on it. And so that made me look for it because it is sold out on the Coach website. All right. So let me tell you guys what this looks like. I know you've probably seen 100 unboxing of it, but just in case, it's so nice, so pretty. This is worth, even though I paid $249, it's definitely worth it. So pretty, and it seems like really high quality. This is just one of the better Coach bags. I really like this one, and I really, really like the Compass one. All right, so here is the tag. I think this tag is a little bit bigger. I don't know. It may not be, but it seems like it is to me. But anyway, which would make sense since this is a large bag. So let's take a look on the side. We got branding on the little brad there. Very, very nice. I love the gold Coach branding here. That's really pretty. I'm glad they didn't try to do foiling with that. And we got branding all over the place here. But even though these are like big C's, I think this is actually kind of muted, and I really like that. I mean, to me, this bag is just really classy. All right, and so we got that. And then in the back, we have a pocket. I am happy about that pocket. And on the inside, we got just black material here, cloth material. And then you got branding just all over the place. And then under here, you have the feet. Very nice. Okay, and then we're going to take a look at this. Super cute. And this gold is just really pretty. I'm normally a silver girl, but I do like gold. And this is just, I think this particular shade of gold and stuff, it just pops. I don't think it would have looked as stunning with silver. All right, this is really stuffed. But you needed that to get the effect. So let me get all this out. Okay, y'all, they put a ton of stuff in that thing. All right, so we got, I'm always afraid I am going to like break something, because their poppers are really, really tight. So you have the little pocket there where it can actually kind of separate and make it feel like it's two. All right, and then we got leather zipper pull and leather into the zipper over here. And we have our story patch back here. And let's see. I was looking to see if there's a horse and carriage in here. I don't see it. Okay. But it's huge cavity there. I love that. All right. So let's see. I am going to see what it is that I will probably use to decorate this. So I will be right back. Okay, guys. So I have some options here. So I think definitely I want the dinosaur to go in there. And then on the inside, I have all these. I think these would be cute. Have that one, have this one, and this is Kurt Geiger, but I really like it. So, I don't know. Maybe all of these. Well, let's just throw them in there to get them out the way. All right. So then, what goes on the outside? So I have this tea rose. This is not an original, actual Coach one. This is from a purse that I bought from eBay. It is an inspired Coach. It is the soft tabby. Let's see, that's too low. Let's see, maybe here. Maybe that. What's that looking like so far? Kind of cute. All right, then I was looking for, I got these, but that's silver. Usually I don't care about that. I don't think it takes away too much, but in this instance, I think it would. I thought of that. I'm like, no. This. Let's see. How would we put our little dinosaur? Is he cute? Is that too much? Oh, I also have this little key, lock and key that I've never used. It does actually unlock, I think. I don't know. But anyway, is that too much? Is that too crowded? I think it's cute. That, I don't know. What do y'all think? I think the dinosaur is making it look like too much. I'm going to put the dinosaur over here. And then have this hanging from there. I don't know. It looks out of place, doesn't it? But anyway, I thought that, oh, and then I have this. I was wondering if this would be cute. It is not. That is throwing it all off, isn't it? Yeah, that's throwing it all off. I have this scarf. This is an Amazon one. That might be cute. But it might be too much. But we'll see. I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like that. And I might just move my tag to the other side or something. You know? I think that's kind of cute. But anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys. I would love your input. If you think I should use any of this, I would love to know. All right, I will talk to y'all later, and I hope y'all are staying warm with this winter storm coming up. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.